So, if you guys want to see a little bit more of me, you want to come along for the ride, learn a bit about the gardening that I do, the fruits, the vegetables, the hot peppers, all the lawn care, and all the projects that I'm doing outside there, come along and check out the King's Castle channel. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. Hey guys, it's the Keto King. Yes, I am still alive. I'm around, I'm alive and kicking. Today we are not making any recipes, even though I am in my new house, in my new beautiful kitchen. And we are making some lovely food there, but not for the channel. That's just for my dinner. What I'm here today is to introduce you to the King's Castle. What has happened since the last time I uploaded a video? Well, I have moved into a new house, absolutely in love with it. Obviously, when moving into a new house, there's so much to do, make it feel a lot more like home, right? And so that's taking away a lot of my free time, very little free time that I have. Those of you that know, I have a full-time job. YouTube is definitely not my full-time job. And I also have a young child. He's now 4.5 years old, so pretty busy and takes up the majority of my free time, or at least I choose to spend my free time with my son and my family, my beautiful wife as well. So it doesn't leave a lot of time to make keto videos. Doesn't mean I'm never going to make keto videos again. I certainly will. I've got one or two actually that I'm really dying to try out and make a video on, so keep an eye out for that. But what I'm spending a lot of my time on now is doing some projects around this beautiful new house. And so one of those is got to do with outside here. So let me show you what we've got going here. So I've got this beautiful backyard here, really a lot of space. So what we're going to be doing here is a lot of growing some vegetables, growing fruits. We're going to be growing some hot peppers. I'm a huge hot pepper fan. And I'm going to be doing a lot of lawn care here, because look at this lawn, it is terrible. And I'm absolutely obsessive with my lawn, so I am going to be doing some huge projects to get this lawn looking in tip-top shape this season and for the seasons coming forward. And what you may be asking is, what the heck is all of this here and what's going on with that? Well, we're also doing a massive outdoor renovation here. This is going to be building an outdoor entertainment area. I'm not building it myself, I'm hiring someone to do it, but what I am going to do is document this. I think it'll be really interesting and entertaining to watch. So, if you guys want to see a little bit more of me, you want to come along for the ride, learn a bit about the gardening that I do, the fruits, the vegetables, the hot peppers, all the lawn care, and all the projects that I'm doing outside there, come along and check out the King's Castle channel. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. Please go ahead and subscribe to that channel so you don't miss those videos. They're going to be more informal videos like this, more vlog style, which I think will lend itself to me making more videos than I can do on the Keto King channel. But again, I'm not abandoning the Keto King channel. Still gonna do some videos and hopefully one soon on that channel. Let me know in the comment section below how you're doing on your keto journey, if you guys have been keeping it keto during this COVID and quarantine, and if you've had any struggles with that. I'd love to hear your guys' stories. And of course, keep it keto.